It's your boy D Hayes in the back with nothing. We live. What up with it, fam? What up with it? How you doing? How you doing? Hey Francine, how you doing? Let's get it. Yo, yo, yo. I did my first option today. What did you do? A call up put? Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. Let's get it, fam. I played Square Call. Okay. That was good. You did good on that. I think that went up today. It went up good today. How them Tesla puts looking, my boy? They ain't looking too good right now. A lot of people cash out at a good time today. Some people got in at better prices than I did, which is fine. I'm cool. I told you guys that. Yeah, cashed out for good profits, $1,000, 800, 700. I'm still in Tesla puts. Been a little bit greedy, not greedy, but waiting to get waiting for it to really fall to the levels I expected it to fall to. At least go down to one. Should have been hovering around 193, 194 right now, waiting to break, which it already broke, giving an indication that it could come down to around 185. And if 185 is broken, it could come down to around 166. And I know some may be thinking, oh, it can't come down that 47 30. I almost can guarantee before it goes up to 300, 250, 270, anything like that, it's gonna come back down, reroute to about 160 before it does so, and possibly even lower than that. But that's just what I'm saying for the temporary move. But I wouldn't wait unless that happened in instance. I'm really what I mainly was looking for around 185, 189. Out of them 190s. That mug is holding up pretty well, but I already know why it's doing that. Hayes, I'm in those Carvana puts. You planning on selling the opening, holding a little bit into the day. I'm planning on selling as soon as the opportunity presents itself. As soon as it flush and drop as hard as it's supposed to drop, I'm selling into weakness. I'm selling to strength on the upside, and on the downside, we sell into weakness. So as it's weakened, I'm selling into the weakness, right? And I'm moving along. So however it say, and even if it take too long to get weak, I'ma sell early, just to cover myself. It's the last day of the market. You want to end off on a clean slate. Make sure your portfolio don't end off too shabby. Even if you're in the red, make sure it don't be even redder. And make sure, you just be meticulous, especially on Friday. You don't want to end off on a bad note. Even if you're on a bad note, you ain't want to end off on an even worse note by revenge trading or whatever the case may be. Square calls busting in the AM. Can't wait. What's AMC prediction for tomorrow? SPY puts. Lift tomorrow. I did a call. AMC for $6. Hello, sir. Picked up Carvana puts after I saw the alert. Yep, Carvana. They had revenue. They missed revenue down by over negative 24%. And also the amount of vehicles that was sold or whatnot was also down. So they definitely missed expectations. Didn't come through with earnings as I expected them to miss it or whatnot. In the long term, though, I believe this company is going to come back and do something, do well. But for the short term, the puts are just mandatory. Now that's why I got to be quick, because as soon as that thing come down to, once it drop in price, now it's time to go to it's time to flip the script. It's time to then go long. I believe it could just. I had seen if everything had went how it went, I seen it has the potential of breaking $9.35 and coming down to around $7.77. 9.35 to 7.50 ish. That's about a $2 drop. Overall, that'll be about 23, 24, 25% drop. And that's usually what these stocks are drop or shoot up during earnings. After earnings are reported, whether it was good or bad, once it go in this direction, it's going to drop about 25, 35. Sometimes they even do a little more than that. But about between 25 and 35 is about the average of what I see these moves the stocks make during earnings, up or down. And I already calculated in the 25% down move for Carvana, which it doesn't seem like it should even be happening, being for the fact the price that it's currently trading at. But just like we seen Lyft, it was at $15, $16, still undervalued at that price, and chopped 35, 40% after hours, came all the way down to the $8 level, like which you expect to go up from that level. But Carvana definitely, once it come down, you better sell it quick, because after, I do believe the dip was going to be eaten up. I'll be one of the people also eating the dip up on the flip side as I get out of the puts and they play in our favor, how I'm hoping and expecting them to. Hello, what up with it, Ashley Rose? How you doing? Is it too late to get in Carvana? It may be too late to get in Carvana, fam, because I mean, it's by the time pre-market, the move should happen in pre-market, and as soon as bell open, the move should be happening. So hopefully, I'm hoping in pre-market it all. Well, I don't know, because if it happened in pre-market, it got time to get back. Hope the move can halfway happen in the pre-market and finish happening as the bell open, so you have time to get out at the bottom, instead of the move fully happening in the pre-market and the investors eat the dip up and it done came back by the time the bell open. You can't get out of contracts till the bell open. So I need half of the move to happen in the pre-market just to give us that confidence. And then as the bell open, I need for it to fulfill itself. And that'd be great. That'd be a perfect play. Perfect. AMC is still squeezing in. Appreciate you. BBB might bounce again. I'm glad you're implementing puts into your trading. Boy, that just as profit as cause, you feel me? Yep, definitely, fam. Most definitely. Maybe I didn't see alerts, so maybe I can still get in. Yep. What's up? I hit AMC for 15K today on calls. Going crazy, fam.